Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we studied about different types of trade. We studied about wholesale trade, retail trade, domestic trade, and international trade. We also studied about export and import. We studied that something that comes in is import. Something that goes out is export. That is, when we purchase some goods and services from other country, that is import. When we import, we have to spend money. When we sell goods and services to other countries, it is export. When we export something, we earn money. So, if we want our country to develop, we have to make sure that there is a balance between the export and import. So, in today's lecture, we'll see what is balance of trade. So, let's continue, students. The difference between the import and export values of a country in a specific period of time is called balance of trade. Here, students, we are talking about the value of goods. We are not talking about the quantity of goods. We are talking about the value of goods. So, the difference between the value, that is the total amount that we spend on purchasing things, and the total amount that we earn. The difference between both this in a particular period of time is called as balance of trade. For example, students, if I export goods of worth 1 crore and import goods of worth 2 crore. Now you can see there is a difference of 1 crore. I am earning less money, but I am spending more money. Is that good for our country? No. So students, the balance of trade can be of three types. First is unfavorable balance of trade, then favorable balance of trade, and balanced balance of trade. Let's see them one by one. Here, students, just see in figure 9.3a of your textbook. Here you can see the value of import is more. Import means something that we purchase. Okay. So now the goods that we have purchased is more as compared to the goods that we have sold. Here you can see, students, a seesaw is given, and here you can see the value of goods that we have imported is more as compared to the value of goods that we have exported. So now the money that we have spent is more as compared to the money that we have earned. So this is what? Unfavorable for our country. So such type of trade is called unfavorable balance of trade. Next you can see in the seesaw, import, that is something we have purchased, is less as compared to something that we have exported. So the money that we have spent is less as compared to the money that we have earned. So this is favorable for the growth of a country. So it is called as favorable balance of trade. So here you can see the value of export. The value of export is more than the value of import. So such type of balance of trade is called as favorable balance of trade. Next we'll see balanced balance of trade. As the name suggests, it is balanced. That means the value of goods that we have imported is equal to the value of goods that we have exported. Both are the same. So the money that we earned is equal to the money that we have spent. So you can see by exporting, the money that we have earned is equal to the money that we have spent. So in this case, there is a balance between import and export. So such type of trade is called as balanced balance of trade.